Good day, I am John Cedric Lumawud, 21 years old and a chemical engineering student from Mapua University, and I am passionate about applying scientific knowledge and engineering principles to create efficient, safe, and sustainable solutions to real-world problems. Throughout my academic journey, I have developed a strong foundation in key areas such as mass and energy balances, thermodynamics, and chemical processes, which help me understand how industries operate and how systems can be improved. I have gained skills in laboratory analysis, data interpretation, and problem solving, and I am knowledgeable in handling chemicals safely and while following proper procedures and standards. I am also comfortable using technology and digital tools to support my work, and I continuously strive to improve my technical and analytical abilities during my studies. I have experience working on experiments and collaborating with others, which enhance my communication skills, teamwork, and adaptability in different situations. I am confident in applying my knowledge in areas such as process improvement, quality control, and safety management. As a person, I am hardworking, detail oriented, and motivated to learn, and I always aim to deliver quality results in everything I do. I am excited about the opportunity to contribute my skills and grow as a future chemical engineer. And I sincerely thank you for taking the time to watch my visual resume, and I look forward to opportunity to be part of your team.